What's up, guys? Think you know what this is? Theft job. Yeah. People were visiting from out of town. Unfortunately, somebody felt that they shouldn't have to work hard for their stuff like everyone else. So they smashed the window, grabbed a couple things, leaving the owner with a bill to pay. So we're gonna make this better for them. You guys just keep watching. When did they make car seats like this? Tried to pry it open. Look at that. That's messed up. Previously in the video, we discovered how they actually broke in. They broke in by prying this open. Now, we're gonna have to straighten that out. We want this weather strip to go on here and do its job. So we're gonna have to straighten this out. I am in no way a body guy. So what I did was taped up some pliers so we don't scratch any paint. And I'm gonna try to straighten this thing out best I can so the weather stripping can seal. So keep watching. You're gonna see me get into it. Well, it's not 100% straight with that kink in there. I don't want to get into that because the paint is already starting to crack. That's why I sealed it with primer. This part is going to be covered under the weather stripping, but I don't want to leave any exposed bare metal. This is as good as it gets. Guys, I just inspected the windshield while I'm waiting for this glass to come. I noticed the rock chip. I'm about to tackle that. I know that they were traveling across country, but look at that guy. And this is what happens to a lot of people. They're getting hit by rocks. They don't know where it got hit. And then this thing cracks out of nowhere. So we're going to take care of that for him, especially by him being a veteran. We want to pay him back a little bit, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna get this done. right, so this is as good as it gets. Got the glass in. So I just got off the phone with the customer, and he's about to come pick it up. Let him know he has a rock chip. I stand corrected. He let me know that he has 2 rock chips. So this is the second one. It's filled in. I got it curing right now, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done.